the status of our audience. So can you just tell me, like, is this your first time to be part of aiseekho, cloud seekho? Before it was cloud seekho, now it's aiseekho. By show of hands, कितने लोग का first season है? Oh wow, lots of people. Amazing, amazing, amazing. And how many of you joining? Oh wow, wow, first time. Second season few. Zabardast. So thank you so much. Just a brief introduction of mine. Josefa Habib, I'm the community manager at Google for Asia Frontier region, जिसमें Pakistan, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and आते हैं. So this very program is very close to my heart because it's more of a self-paced learning program, and we have just did this for like not this is not the first one. This is season 6. Before that it used to call, so the seekho is our campaign, yearly campaign. So under seekho, we have just like we are hosting the 6th season. Before that it used to be called cloud seekho, now it's ai seekho, a little bit rebranded. And I'm really excited to see more than 200 people joining for the kickoff session. That's really interesting. So that's a bit about me and the program. I will give you walkthrough, then I will give you how to register, and also we'll start to how to redeem the cloud credits. And uske baad you can start off after this call. You can just go and uh, just wanted to know how many of you have registered on the website for AIC. Yeah, I'm just okay. A lot of people have already registered, so you might have registered, got the कोड फॉर टू रिडीम द क्रेडिट. तो आप लोग को अभी आई विल गिव यू वॉक थ्रू, तो आप लोग को आइडिया होगा कि हाउ टू प्रोसीड फर्दर. So this is a little bit about just to get the idea. Thank you so much. The registration is important, and you will get the code on your email, so then you will start. Yes, for redemption we'll just walk through on this. So without further ado, I will just start with a brief overview about what AI Seco is and how it looks like. Um, so, okay, so here is all about AI Seco. I will just give you a walkthrough. So as you know, today is 23rd January and we just kick off the event, the program. You might have received the email in the afternoon, but aaj se aap log, you can start doing the redemption of credits and start the lab, start your learning journey. And you can see, you can, towards the end of that, you will definitely get some exciting swags. So yes, as you know, it's a Cloud AI Study Jams, and this time we are hosting season 6, and the timeline is from 23rd January to till 20th February. So this is the time जिसमें आपने जो labs हैं वो करनी है to claim your swags, and I will give you walkthrough के what you can get and how you can get. So as you know, there are lots of amazing learning materials you can see. I will give you a walkthrough as well, but more of focus is on Gemini and Vertex AI. Vertex AI की एक lab हम करेंगे भी in this session, today's session. So you can just like get an idea how to start, how to get credits, and how to join your uh, learning journey. So the timeline is clear, and it's online and self-paced learning program. But as you see that, like, you need to uh, complete at least 8 badges, which include like 4 skill badges. मैं आपको walk through दूंगा, तो you will get to know what are the badges and what are the skill badges. Between this time, to get swag pack, swag will be delivered to your home places, and I will share the criteria as well. Okay, so what you will get from AICO, or why you should join? Definitely, this is a question. So first is that you will get access to Cloud Skill Boost, and you get the credits to start your learning journey. And there is also some exciting and cool swags. As mentioned, I will give you a glimpse of that as well. So for the first year, you can just do the add uh, badges, including 4 skill badges. And for the second tier, you need to do 14 badges, including 7 skill badges. So badges and skill badges ka difference fee you will get to know very soon. And apart from that, the third point is lots of learning, definitely. So registration, as I know, most of you people have done. So that's a very exciting thing. Apart from that, we have a Slack community, dedicated Slack community to support you. You might have आप लोगों को challenges आएंगे, you will face difficulties, so you can just drop in your queries there, and we will be actively responding to your queries, and will sort out your issues and troubleshoot them. So yes, there is an active community. You can just go and join there. For swags and rewards, so you need to register on this website. Registration link is here on the top. You can join because I already joined, so I can just give you a walkthrough of this कि आपने किस तरह join करना है. And yes, apart from that, you need to complete the skill badges, and the timeline is very clear. Before, like it's February 20th, 11:59 p.m. Pakistan time. So इससे पहले पहले आपने अपने सारी skill badges कर लेनी है complete, and then we will send you the completion form, and then you need to uh, put details there, and based on scoring criteria, you will get the swags. So timeline I already cleared. For the criteria on swags, so swag is definitely for participant in Pakistan only. So be mindful of that. And apart from that, there are some other perks, like if you do more, like there are some mandatory labs जो कि आपने लाजमी करनी, जो कि अभी हम करेंगे भी. इसके अलावा you are supposed to do more labs. So the more labs you will do, chances are that you will get swag. So there will be additional 2 points if you do extra skill badges. So don't stop. अगर आप लोगों ने criteria complete कर लिया, just move on because it's 1 month time roughly. And yes, first 300 participants who will submit the completion form will get extra 10 points. And on top of that, we will be delivering swags to only 500 top 500 participants. So be mindful of that. You need to compete as well. So yes, for the course content, there are skill badges. These are the listed one. You can do all of them, or minimum is just like for tier one, it's 4, and for tier two, it's 7, but you can do all. No one is stopping you. You have credits, you can explore it for sure. And regular pages, we have these, and this one is mandatory that we will be doing today. We'll do one part, and two part you can do on your own. अच्छा जी, swags के लिए you can just find out, like tier 1 is you will get these cool caps, sticker sheet, and a tote bag. And then for tier 2, if you do the more skill badges, and after quiz and all the point scoring, you can get tier 1 with additional collector's edition aiseekho temperature water bottle. So I think yes, for today we are here. It's a uh, kickoff event. Oh, and I can see the excitement. So, how many of you are excited? Show with just like maybe celebration. Yes. So, wow, lots of emoji. Wow, wow, amazing, amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. I am also excited, and I am also looking forward to this amazing learning journey. Maybe आपके साथ ही learning journey का part होगा. So, with that, I will just move a little ahead, just a moment, and then we can start on our code redemption today, which is the most important part. I believe you got a good walkthrough of AI Seco Season 6. Okay, so now I got a show of hands a little while ago. How many of you have registered and received the email from AI Seco? Okay, okay, great, great. So many of you have got okay, Slack is working now. वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा issue था, but the link is fixed now. You can check. And if there are any other issues, I'm just looking for अगर किसी को कोई problem आ रहा है. So Slack community, you can join in. I can drop the link here. Hafsa, can you help me to drop the link here? The Slack community. Okay, great. Most of you have received the email, and there is a code in that. Okay, for those who are still facing the issue, maybe you need to refresh the browser, but Slack link is working now. So let's move to the exciting part, uh, which is on how to redeem the credit and get started your learning journey. Okay, so yes, you can see there's a pin chat, GDG Live Pakistan. You can find, and also you can find the Slack link on our website, aiseekho. Okay, so let's start. Let me share my screen once again, and then okay. So one important thing, if you got the code, so you need to start with this private window. Um, you can just see Command Shift N or Control Shift N for Windows, and for Command Shift N for MacBook. So you need to go for a private window because in browser you have cache, so वहाँ पे आपको issues आ सकते हैं. And also apart from that, you need to check your network. Sometime network issues भी हो सकते हैं, तो जिसकी वजह से आपको you will face an issue, you will not get the credits. So sometimes this kind of issue you might face. So I got this code, so I'm just entering. You just need to copy and paste the URL, and you will see a window like this, right? So I will just pause and see that there are some information, but we will be doing through this code. So हमने यहाँ पे जाके you can see these are the labs that are meant. This one is the mandatory one, जिसके बाद आपको credits मिल जाते हैं. So we'll be doing this, and I will give you walkthrough how to do this. But for now, you can do join. So आपको yes. So there is this thing that you may fill out the fields, but sometimes filling out the fields kinda have, you might get an error or you get log into the account लेकिन आपको शायद credits ना मिले. So after that, the best practice is that you need to log in with your account, and then you choose sign in with Google. For example, I did this, created this email, aiseekho 6.test. So I will just start this. And okay, so now let's say I'll put my date of birth and will confirm that I'm not robot. And इसके बाद I'll accept the terms and conditions. So when you join, you see there that you will get 9 credits automatically. This 9 credits mean कि इससे you can start the labs. And when you do this first lab, when you complete this first lab, you will automatically get 350 credits. And some labs need 1 credit, a few lab need more credits. So वो different labs का different credits होते हैं. So you just need to check before that, and you just can start the labs. However, this basic lab cost only 1 credit. So we will spend 1 credit, and then we will get 350 additional credit. So eventually जब आप ये lab कर लेंगे, so you will be having 358 credits in your account, and you can use them for your learning journey. So let's go and let's start with this. So with that, I'm starting my first lab. But before that, I just go and come and see the excitement level here. So are you all ready to get started with the journey? Oh, wow. Great. Amazing. Amazing. And we see more than 330 people joining in. So I can see how excited you are to learn new technologies, particularly AI. mm, This in this era you are in the right place. So this is something, and I am also excited myself to learn Vertex AI and explore new avenues. So thank you so much, thank you so much for this amazing response. So let's get started. Acha ji, so when you go, so this is, you can see that like there are multiple, you can just do the checkpoints here as well. This we will do afterwards, but you need to score 100 out of first lab में आपने 100 out of 100 score करना है. It's just basic setup, and I will do just basic setup as well, not much, because it's a self paced learning. So आपने जाके खुद learn करना है, explore करना है. And in the middle of campaign we will be doing code along session jahan pe we can spend 2 hours time together to do more labs and explore and do some Q&A. But for the basic one, yes, I'm here to help you. So you need to score 100 out of 100 to claim 350 credits. Acha. So when you go and start the lab, so this is how you just need to click it, and you see two options. uh, Token is nothing, it's not our part. So we have, it says देखें आपको 9 credits मिल चुके हैं, and this lab cost 1 credit. So as I told you, different labs cost different credits. कुछ 4 credits की होती है, कुछ 3 credits की होती है, and so on and so forth. But this basic lab will cost you 1 credit. So we can start from here. And okay, so yes, here is the caveat. So sometimes you don't need to panic. Sometimes it takes time to load. So you, based on your network, based on the processing, because it's just like more of some internal API calls, so it will take some time. So you don't need to worry about it. थोड़ा सा pause लेना है. The instructions are very clear. You can just read it. कि अच्छा, what this lab is for, what is the outcome, what is the learning, what are the objectives, what are the setup and requirement, and which task you are supposed to do to get the scores and get the get the lab done, and then eventually the skill badge or ordinary badge. So उसके बाद if you can just read this, uh, you can just go and explore on your own. But I just will say कि आपकी टू स्टार्ट प्रीरेक्विजिट में बेसिकली आपको बेसिक पाइथन प्रोग्रामिंग आती हो, एपीआई के कंसेप्ट आपको पता होने चाहिए. बट इफ नॉट, you can definitely go and explore as well. There is a lot of content available. And Jupyter Notebook, yes, we will be doing, I will be opening a Jupyter Notebook as well. So you can just explore with me how it works. It's just like a hands-on thing, so you don't need to worry about it. And you can see the objectives are very clear: audio for insight, video understanding, video concept, PDF format, and image. So this is something that how generative AI works. So आपको basically infra level पे you can explore how these things work, the prompt engineering, how these things work. I will not go into heavy lifting thing. I'm just giving you a surface level knowledge. So we'll be just doing the setup. So sometime I will not go in depth. uh, so yeah, so these are basic instruction. You will start the lab. Yes, we did. उसके बाद हमें कुछ we just it showed कि हमें कितने credits चाहिए उसके लिए, time to complete. You can see that clock start in reverse direction. So 1 hour 30 minutes का time है for this particular lab. And then when you go down, so you will find other steps. It's a very easy stepwise process. But I would suggest कि आप लोग जाके you can just learn and explore about it. Okay, so once you see we did this first step कि हमने जब pop-up window आई थी, we it asked us कि कितने credits चाहिए, time remaining start हो गया है, credentials, um, you need to use, yes, we are using that, and also other information. Now that step 2. So you can see this is cloud console. So you just need to simply go and yes, this is very important कि यार side by side window पे आपने इसको करना है. So I will use one window because I'm sharing this one, so it's completely fine. But you can use, is up to you. So here is this. Okay, when I open this, so it will redirect me to, okay, now इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट इज कि जब आप क्लाउड कंसोल पे क्लिक करते हैं तो यू विल गेट टू दिस विंडो एंड यू डोंट नीड टू अपडेट योर पर्सनल ईमेल, इट ऑटोमेटिकली इंटर दिस टेम्पररी अकाउंट which is by quick labs, so it is created. अगर नहीं आ रहा है तो you just need to copy from here, ठीक है, and then paste it. You don't need to use your personal account or professional account because it's not, it's a sandbox environment. वो आपको फिर error देगा और आपकी लैब आगे further proceed नहीं होगी, ठीक है. सो यूजर नेम इज हेयर, अगर नहीं ऑटोमेटिकली वैसे आ जाता है, अगर नहीं आ रहा है आपके पास यू कैन कॉपी एंड पेस्ट. सो यूजर नेम, मेक श्योर दैट दिस इज योर यूजर नेम, यू नीड टू यूज दिस, ठीक है. देन वी गो टू नेक्स्ट. अच्छा जी, नेक्स्ट में पासवर्ड इज ऑल्सो गिवन, सो यू जस्ट नीड टू कॉपी पेस्ट, क्योंकि पासवर्ड हर बंदे के लिए डिफरेंट होगा. सो इट्स अ टेम्पररी अकाउंट एंड आई नीड टू एग्री ऑन द consent, and my account is created and the Google uh, console is open for me, and it asks for me which country I'm in. I'm from Pakistan. Automatically आपको पाकिस्तान ही देगा, लेकिन if not, you can, because this campaign is for Pakistan, so it automatically redirect you to Pakistan. You need to agree terms and condition, and if you want to email updates, you can click on this as well. So let's maybe click on this and say, okay, so our Google Cloud Console is open now. We can see all these things, the APIs and all, but इसमें से जो हमने काम करना होगा, we can see exactly each and every step here, and when we follow it, right now मैं आपको करके दिखाऊंगा. So we'll just do this one lab and then we'll go towards maybe Q&A, and then we can uh, conclude the session or something if there is something that I can help you. But yeah, let's proceed further. अच्छा जी, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इंस्ट्रक्शन. अगेन जो मैंने कहा था कि अपने पर्सनल क्रेडेंशियल नहीं यूज़ करने हैं, यू विल बी यूजिंग दीज क्रेडेंशियल्स टू लॉग इन इनटू द कंसोल. सो गूगल क्लाउड का कंसोल ओपन हो चुका है फॉर विद अस. टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन, यस वी डिड. सो now we'll move towards our first lab. We'll start our first lab, which is on Vertex AI Workbench, and it's very easy one. It's just setting up, and will achieve these objectives जो कि यहाँ पे mention थे: analyze audio, understanding video, some PDF documents, and again towards the end all of these, and it was just some API call. So you can see there are some 6 tasks. ये 6 टास्क अगर आपने कर लिए तो you will get 100 and you will get 350 additional credits. So let's start. Step 1 is very simple. You just need to go and find out Vertex AI. Okay, हो गया. And then इसमें Vertex AI में workbench ढूंढना है. We need to find out the workbench. Okay, we'll find out the workbench, and it takes time, as I told you, for loading. So these are some API calls, so just you need to wait for it. So yes, this is, you can see Vertex AI Jupyter Lab. So you just need to open it. So yes, we have this Vertex AI automatically. So it's simply, you just need to open it from here, or you can just click, so it will redirect to another lab, another window, and वहाँ से भी आप open कर सकते हैं. So I'm just, so it's loading, and wait a minute, it's just loading. You can see the cloud logo is loading sign for us, and we are heading there. Hopefully it will be here in just a while. अच्छा जी, so yes, we got it. हमें access मिल गई है. Now we are in the environment. It's a sandbox environment. It's a notebook environment. You might have heard about it. आप लोग use भी करते होंगे. If you are AI engineer, you are doing things. So this is the sandbox environment जहाँ पे हम सारे अपने labs करेंगे. तो this is whatever you will lab you will be doing. So you will be in this console, and these kind of notebook you will be used to. अगले 1 महीने आपका इनके साथ बहुत ज़्यादा वास्ता पड़ने वाला है. So be uh, be humble to these things. So there will be definitely some errors. We are here to help you. So let's start. चलिए जी, हमने first step तो clearly complete कर लिया है. Now this is हमने we just open the workbench. Now it says कि set up the notebook. अब notebook को setup करने के लिए it's already have a preloaded notebook, so you just need to go and open it from here. डबल टैप करेंगे तो आपको, डबल क्लिक करेंगे तो आपको नोटबुक ओपन हो जाएगी. सो नाउ देयर इज दिस थिंग कि जहाँ पे आपने थोड़ा सा इट विल गिव यू यस. सो दिस इज जब आप कर्नल पे आपको लेके जाता है तो ऑटोमेटिकली गिव यू पाइथन 3. सो यू जस्ट डोंट नीड टू चेंज इट, जस्ट इफ नॉट देन सेलेक्ट पाइथन 3. ठीक है, तो पाइथन 3 आप करेंगे तो यू जस्ट नीड टू click select. Now you are in the environment and this is very important because it's load the libraries. ठीक है, so you have selected uh, python 3. So now it says हमने उसी को follow किया. Yes, we have selected the kernel now, and from here getting started and import library section. Yes, so now we'll going to step by step, or it would be a little bit too technical, so I'll not go into in depth, but I will just go on surface level. So we can just go, you can read this overview again. These are the objectives of this lab, this particular lab. हर lab के different objectives होंगे, but this is very interesting कि आपने audio को analyze करेंगे and you will know how uh, these chatbots or this in Gen AI stuff works actually. So you will get a sandbox environment how to run these things. So first is AI SDK for Python, Vertex AI SDK, sorry. So Python के लिए हम run करेंगे. So you just need to go and just click this run button. So it automatically get started, and then runtime automatically you just need to see these kind of a play button. You just need to okay. Uh, wait. The library is running. Okay, it's fine. Now it's fine. So now you just need to go and do the second one. And sometime in some labs, the kernel restart. So you need to just wait for the next step. So abhi is wale I guess this is a basic lab. There is not much need of that. But eventually your kernel will be restarted. You will be out of the window for a while. So just be humble on that. Don't worry about it. You can skip these one, but I would prefer कि हम उस step को भी forward कर दे. Now, here, because you are claiming the first lab and this is very important, so this is something that you need to go back. And उन्होंने mention किया हुआ है कि for project ID you need to use this, and for location you need to do this. So project ID के लिए हम यहाँ से सिर्फ simply copy करेंगे, and यहाँ जाके हम इसको project ID की जगह replace करके paste कर देंगे. And that's simple. And the second one is our location. The location need to be updated as well. US East 4. And we can go and just do here. And after that, you will run it. Without location updating and project ID updating, if you do, you will get an error. Okay? So yes, this is now you just need to click on the next. And now it's time to, sorry, there is this model. अब मॉडल को लोड करना है तो now 1.5 is a very light model, you know. And when we go, now here is this thing. If you run this, okay, so it will give you the output in the form of total tokens कितने use हुए इसमें, and all these things. You can just read the prompt, what are the settings, you can just see uh, all about it. And this is the interesting part जहाँ पे आप लोग इसको जब run करेंगे, so you will get a summary. ठीक है, the summary of the audio, the transcription is now here. You can just play this as well. आप लोगों को clear हो जाएगा. But the audio is, so this is the audio and it's analyzed it. And now you can see कि उसने analyze करके आपको output दे दिया है. Similar go for transcription. The transcription is here. Speaker A क्या बोल, so there is just a conversation I believe in the audio, so you can see, you can read it. It already give you a detailed response. And now we'll go for the video part, and I believe it's running and it's running. Wait a minute, let's wait for a while जब पूरी transcription complete हो जाएगी. And why I'm doing this, because it's important. आपने हमने हर स्टेप को एनालाइज करना होगा कि वहाँ पे हमने ट्रांसक्रिप्शन चली है प्रॉपर. अगर इसमें से आपने कोई स्टेप नहीं किया तो इट विल गिव यू एन एरर एंड यू विल नॉट गेट. सी इट्स ऑटोमेटिकली गिव मी 20 पॉइंट्स कि मैंने पैकेजेस इंस्टॉल कर दिए. बट इफ आई विल कम बैक एंड एनालाइज ईच एंड एवरी स्टेप एंड get my score. So yes, the transcription is also, I believe, done. Yes, it's completed. Now the video part ke liye we can just play the code. And I think video we cannot play, it's too long. It will give you, the model will give you, yes, ठीक है. The video is about female photographer who is walking. It's just giving the video का आपको proper एक kind of um, description दे दी है. Just passing, we passed this video through URL and we got this output. And now we come to the interesting part, which is, sorry, PDF one. So this is the PDF we passed to the model, and let's see what it says. The prompt, you can read this code on your own, but we unfortunately we don't have much time, so we cannot do. There are further videos. One, again, all modalities. It's come to image, video, audio and text at once. Now we are moving ahead. जो last वाला objective था कि यार सारी चीजें आप एक साथ चला लें. Yes. सो कंक्लूजन में अगेन इस ट्यूटोरियल का क्या ऑब्जेक्टिव था. सो वी गॉट ऑडियो इनसाइट, वीडियो का अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड द वीडियो में क्या चल रहा है उसके बारे में डिस्क्रिप्शन. पीडीएफ से इंफॉर्मेशन हमने एक्सट्रैक्ट की एंड मल्टी मॉडल चलाया. नाउ आई विल गो बैक एंड आई विल से ऑन ईच स्टेप यू कैन सिंपली कम हेयर एंड यू विल सी कि आपका स्कोर किस तरीके से क्लेम होता है. एंड वंस यू डू स्टेप यू कैन कम बैक एंड हियर एंड जस्ट चेक कि अच्छा आपका स्टेप कंप्लीट हो गया कि नहीं. सो इट विल टेक सम टाइम एंड इट विल लेट मी नो कि अच्छा मैंने सर ओके दिस स्टेप इज पास, असेसमेंट कंप्लीटेड. आप स्टेप वाइज भी आके चेक कर सकते हैं, ओवरऑल भी चेक कर सकते हैं. इट्स अप टू यू. एंड यस, फॉर ऑडियो लॉन्ग टेक्स्ट and context understanding, see I got 10 points and I did this as well, so my points will be increased here as well. I completed the lab task. Okay. And then I will go there for video one. ये मुझे बता रहा है okay, I earned another 10 points. So now my points are 30. The points are increasing here and here as well. For PDF documentation, yes, this is passed as well. क्योंकि हमने देखा, उसने हमें output दिया. There were no errors on that. And multimodalities and all modalities को भी हमने try किया था. That was the last task. And once it passed, let's see, हमारा last में output आ गया था. Yes, the output was there. And I got 50 points, and here you can see 100 out of 100 is the score. Checkpoints मेरे 100 out of 100 complete हो चुके हैं. You need to make sure, अगर यहाँ नहीं हो रहा तो you need to check progress पे click करके आप step wise भी check कर सकते हैं, लेकिन overall you need to make sure कि 100 out of 100 आपका score होगा. So now what I get out of this, wait a minute, it will take some time. If I go to next, yes, you need to complete for next पे आप क्लिक या एंड लैब कर दे तो आपकी लैब कंप्लीट काउंट हो जाएगी, या नेक्स्ट पे क्लिक कर दे तो आपको ऑटोमेटिकली, जब आप बहुत सारी लैब्स कर रहे हो तो यू नीड टू पुट नेक्स्ट, ताकि आपको नेक्स्ट लैब पे वो रीडायरेक्ट कर दे. सो वंस आई विल डू दिस, तो यहाँ पे हमारा क्रेडिट्स भी स्कोर हो जाएंगे. आई कैन सी कि यार हमारी everyone, how's everyone feeling so far. Let's see, it will take some time to load, so just wait for a while. Let's just wait for a while. See, we didn't take much time to do this lab, so I believe आप लोग ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा labs कर सकेंगे because it's not take that much time that is mentioned. So yes, I believe it's loading for the next lab, or maybe I can just call it out from here too. Are you sure you will restart the lab and you will need to start from the beginning if you do? No. Okay, so why it's not loading? No, it should be into the next lab. I believe yes, our content has been working fine. Okay, any questions so far? Requirement of token. Okay, so token you don't need to. When you create an account using the code that we have sent, so you can just you will get the 9 credits and उसमें से आप एक credit use करके lab start कर सकते हैं. And I have no credits. Okay. Okay, you need to register on aiseekho website and then you can get where to put the you need to just copy paste the code and put it on URL तो आपको ऑटोमेटिकली स्किल बूस्ट के कंसोल में ले जाएगा. Okay, if you are facing credits, if it shows 0 credit, so it means you have done something wrong. Maybe it could be network issue, maybe it could be you have used your browser. So try to use private window तो आपको उससे easily you can claim the credits from there. Going well so far. Okay, you need to register on the aiseekho website. I'm pasting the link here, so you can just so this is our website. Oh sorry, I can just simply, I need to go on the lab again, sorry. So this is our website. You need to register here और वहाँ पे आपको सारी instructions आ जाएंगी with the code as well as the credits. You will get the code and you can just try there. I believe we need to not wait on this. Okay, it is 100 out of 100, then why it's not giving me? We have completed the lab. Yes, we did. Checkpoints are good. Everything looks good. Okay, oops, it's giving me error. Let me refresh it. Timeout error, no worries. You can get these kind of errors in. Yes, I did the end lab, but I was trying के next lab की तरफ चला जाए, so that would help us. Anyways, I can log in again to see if I got my 350 credits or not. That's why I will highly recommend all of you to use the private window. Don't use your normal window. Sometimes it's network issue and sometimes these kind of issue. But yeah, when you do these things, my lab has been completed. Yes, so it should have been reflected here. Okay, meanwhile it's loading, so I can just come back and see if there are any questions, relevant questions or not. And okay, okay, Slack community link. Yes, GTG Live Pakistan team will help you. We are waiting when this is loading. I don't know, it's maybe the internet issue or something else, but yeah, it should have been done by now. This is my URL and it will give me to the skill boost account. Let me. Anyways, if there are code again, so can you register on the website once, like in a different email maybe, तो आपको code मिल जाएगा. What else we are having? The kernel is going to restart. Please wait until. Yes, yes. I was waiting for the kernel to restart. It takes just like into the next window, and आपकी next lab automatically start हो जाती है. Submission is 20th Feb, so please before that would be great. Uh, you need lab for 30 minutes. Yes. Okay. Website link has been already pasted, but I can see it again. अगर आपको किसी को issues आ रहे हैं, aiseekho, and why it's not loading, unfortunately there is a problem. Maybe it's not opening with my school skill boost account now, unfortunately, but maybe it have blocked me or what. I'm just waiting. अच्छा जी, और questions हम तब तक ले लेते हैं. Okay, what else we have? This website link has been sent to all of you, so don't worry about it. Okay, so once you complete this step, you will get like for some reason my account is not activating, but you once you did this first lab जो मैंने आपको करके बता दी है, the recording will be shared with you. You can just go and see. There will be 358 credits in your profile, and you can start the labs with that. So with that, I would maybe stop the recording here, and then we can go for live Q&A. Or okay, wait a minute. So okay, once you end the lab, again, I would just, for the sake of recording, I'm saying, okay, once you end the lab, it will show a green tick. Oh, why it's not showing the green tick to me? What happened? Okay, it's now done. It shows you a green tick. I completed the lab, first lab, and I got my score here, 150 points, and see, 358 credits. So 9 credits are there. We use one, so 8 from there, and 350 new credits that you got. So we have done this part. Apart from that, we are all good. But before that, moving ahead, I will just like to share this thing कि आप यहाँ पे आएंगे, click करेंगे, and this is one thing that you need to do, because अगर आप लोग हमें share करेंगे तो we'll not know कि आप लोगों ने what you have done. So you need to make your profile public. ठीक है? So this is how you just need to click here and make profile public. Now my profile is public, and once I'm completing all these skill badges and all, so I will be sharing this profile in the course submission form. उसकी basis पे आपको हम evaluate करेंगे, and then you will be able to get the uh, swags. So I think we are done successfully, finally, on our first credit redemption. इसके अलावा अगर आप we can go to Q&A now. If you want to ask any question, I guess Sarah Abbas is want to ask a question. You can open your mic and you can ask question. We can spend like another 15 to 20 minutes to get to know about the question and answers. So yes, please. We are not allowed to unmute mic. Okay. Okay, I can okay, ठीक है, I can go from here one by one. अब आप लोग questions डाल, because I was on another screen, so I can just Slack account not being created on Gmail. So if you I believe you can simply join, but let me share the link with you here, Slack ka, so that you can be part of. 1 second, just 1 second. आई एम शेयरिंग द स्लैक का लिंक ताकि आप जितने लोग को प्रॉब्लम हो रही है उनको प्रॉब्लम ना हो, ठीक है? सो दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग। स्लैक इज़ द प्लेस जहाँ पे आप आके अपने इश्यूज यू कैन जस्ट लाइक हाईलाइट टू अस एंड वी विल बी हैप्पी टू हेल्प यू। Our team will be there, so don't worry on that. Okay. Mm. Okay, I'm sharing the Slack link once again here. So let me copy and paste from this place to directly in the chat. How can you get credits? So credits के लिए you need to register on aiseekho website and you will get a code in your email, and from email you can simply go follow the steps, and also I just give the walkthrough. आपको ये recording भी मिल जाएगी. We'll try to send this recording to you people, and if you are not able to get the recording, please request to the live GDG Live Pakistan, and you can just go on YouTube channel of GDG Live Pakistan. In my lab completed in season 5. Okay, so for that let me wait a minute. I can maybe stop recording because it's